All right, and now we're gonna take a taste test. Let's do it. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ricky. This is my channel, Rickysfoods. So for today's cook, we're making some delicious, crispy chicken wings in a KZ combo. So if you come in closer over here, we're going to be using 2 different rubs. So this is about 20 chicken wings, and half of them it's seasoned with Neil Sarap Wild Game. This is a new rub that he came out with, so it's going to be the first time trying it. So I'm kind of curious to see how it tastes. And then for the second rub, we're going to be using some, let me see if I can pronounce this right, Carrie's Rogues. This is some really good stuff. I really like this flavor. It's kind of spicy, but not too overpowering. All right, guys, so this chicken wing's been in the fridge for about 4 hours. So what that's gonna do is gonna dry the skin out, and that's gonna eventually make it more crispy, a little bit crispy. I'm not gonna put no olive oil or nothing like that to make it more crispy. I've done, my last cook doing chicken wings, I did half of them with olive oil and half of them without olive oil. And what I noticed is that putting no oil on them makes it more crispy. So I'm just gonna stick with that, and that's about it. All right, guys, so I got the KZ combo right behind me getting ready. So when it's ready up, I'll put the chicken wings inside and we'll go from there. See you back in a bit. All right, guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. The KZ combo is up to temperature. So I'll be cooking at 250. So right now it's at 245, so it's perfect timing. So let's get the chicken wings inside the hopper. So what I do, I just put it on the rack. It's just easier for me to move it around and everything. So if you see right there in the middle, I have a little heat deflector. That way my chicken doesn't burn from the bottom, because that's where the fire is coming up. So that's very useful. I said in my last video, like if you put any large cuts of meat in there, like pork butts, brisket, whatever, put like a little heat deflector. It helps a lot. All right, guys, so let's put the chicken inside. And I'll come back out here in about 45 minutes to an hour. My target temperature internally for the chicken wings, it's 175. After it gets to that point, I'll come back out here and we'll do the next step. All right, guys, so it's been about an hour and a half. It's time to check on the chicken wings. So if you come in over here, chicken wings rigging about 165, 170. So this one is rigging at 180, so that's okay. This one's rigging at, this one's rigging at 175, 177, so perfect timing. All right, guys, so now that's the second step of the cook. Now we got the gas side of the KZ combo turned on. I got a pan filled up with some oil. And we're just gonna put the chicken wings over here just to fry them up, and so it can get a little bit crispy. Let's use our Inkbird thermometer. And right now the oil is sitting at, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's sitting at 300. About 300, 320. So that's good enough. So let's add the chicken wings over here. Let me just grab a chicken, and we're just gonna put the chicken to the pan. So you come over here, you're gonna hear a little bit of sizzle, and that's what we want. All right, guys, so it's been about 2 minutes, so it's time to flip the chicken wings. So if you come over here, it's looking real good. So we're just gonna give them a little flip. Look at that color, guys, and that's what we want. Just a little bit of color, a little crispiness. I mean, look at this, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at that color right there. That's what I love in the chicken wings. All right, so we're gonna leave this for 2 more minutes, and after 2 more minutes, I'm gonna plate them up, and we're gonna do a little taste test, and let's see how we did. So I'll see you guys back in a bit. Alright, guys, so the chicken wings I finally done. I'm super hungry, it's super late. I should have done this a little bit earlier, but it was super hot over here, so that's why I waited until nighttime. So if you come in closer, the chicken wings look really good. the color, the skin. Just the skin is really crispy, and that's what you want, and that's what you get when you fry them. You smoke them at 250 for about an hour and a half, and then just fry them up for a bit. You don't need to fry them up for a long time because they're already cooked. So it's time to take a little taste and let's see how we did. I'm gonna try this one right here. Look at that skin, guys. Look at that skin. All right, so let's go for it. Let's see how we did. It's super good. Super good, super crispy. The flavor is really good. This flavor right here, it's the wild game. It's super good. Let me take another bite. Now let's try some with some barbecue sauce from Honeycut. And this is the peach flavor. So let's add it to a chicken wing. All right, and now we're gonna take a taste test. Let's do it. It's really good. If you come in closer, it's really juicy. The chicken wing from the inside is really juicy. We have a nice crispy skin on the outside, and that's what I wanted. All this was made in my KZ Combo PITBOSS. Used in both sides. We used the pellet side from the left side of the PITBOSS griddle, and then we used the gas side. And for the gas side, we fried them up to get that crispy skin. They came out really delicious. So I'm happy how the chicken wings came out. They're really delicious. If you haven't tried this method out, if you have a KZ Combo, it's a must do. You're always gonna get the crispy skin doing it this way. And like always, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the subscription button, ring the bell, give me a comment down below. I love reading all your comments. And like always, I'll see you in the next video.